This strategy today includes learning how to get paid per each click. It is pretty easy, it works for free, and anyone can join. In order to set it up properly, just make sure to follow me till the end of this tutorial. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them. If you love this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me any question or give an opinion about this tutorial. So without any further ado, let's now start with this video so I can show you every single step. So just stay tuned until the end because I'm going to also show you a trick on how to maximize your earnings. So your very first step is to come over to the first platform for today, and that platform is going to be YouTube. So you just need to go over to the search bar on YouTube and you're going to search for a niche that you think that is very popular nowadays. So I've searched for fitness tips, but you can even search for the weight loss niche, or you can search for the gaming niche, and even cooking niche, and so on, what comes in your mind. After that, you're going to notice that there are a lot of popular videos over here, which means that this kind of category is very popular. So just open up a video that you think that is very beneficial, that you think that is going to help out people. For example, I've opened up the first one, and what you need to do once you open up a video is to leave it like this for a moment because we're coming back to it later on. So what you need to do right now is to go over to another platform which is called ShrinkMe, and it's over at shrinkme.io. As you can see up here, you can earn money by shortening URLs, and you can make up to $220 per 10,000 of views, but you can get even more views than that. It depends on you if you want to set this up properly, so just follow me step by step. So if you scroll down, you're going to notice that first of all you need to create an account for free, and I'm going to show you the registration process, then just shorten links and earn money. And this is a completely free tool. Just like I mentioned before, you can make money from the comfort of your home and whenever you are in the world, and you can even earn in passive income by taking advantage of their referral program because they pay you 20% of your referrals earnings for life. They offer you featured administration panel, detailed stats, low minimum payout. Once you reach only $5 in your account, you'll be able to cash out, and they pay you through PayPal but other payment methods as well. And they offer the highest rates that we're going to check in a minute, and a dedicated support team. So they have more than 2 million of registered users, which is pretty awesome actually, and it shows that this is a very loved platform by people. And they pay you through PayPal money, Bitcoin, web money, Paytm, UPI, RTM, Payeer, bank transfer, and so on. You can even go over to the payment proof section, and you're going to check out all of these people getting paid again and again through these payment methods. There are a lot actually, and you're going to notice people making like more than $200, more than $100, and so on. So with this platform you can make decent amounts of money. And I want to mention that if you scroll a little bit down, you can even check out screenshots with proof that people are getting paid, which is pretty awesome actually. And I love that this platform has included also proofs like this with screenshots to show you that this is a legit one and people are getting paid again and again. So what I want you to do next is to go over to the payout rates, so you can see how much money you can make per 1,000 of views and per each country. You're going to notice first of all that they give you a sign-up bonus of $1, which is a nice addition, and also that you're going to get paid $22 per 1,000 of views if your views are from Greenland, $16 if your views are from Ireland, $7.5 if they are from Belgium, $7 if they are from United States and United Kingdom, and also you can see all of the list here, and the other countries that are not included in this list pay you $3.3. So it's pretty awesome actually. These are some of the high rates, and I'm going to show you how you can make money today. Just click on the register button in the upper right corner, because of course you need to create an account for free by putting your username, an email address, a password, re-enter the password, complete the CAPTCHA, agree to our terms of use and privacy policy, and click on the register button. Or you can even sign in with your Google account, because it is a lot faster and easier. After that, they are going to send you an activation link so you can activate your new account, and then you'll be able to get access to your own dashboard. And you're going to notice over here that you can track your total views, total earnings, referral earnings, and every CPM. And right now it says $0 because I just created this account for the purpose of this tutorial. And also you're going to notice up here my available balance is $1, which means that I've received that sign up bonus. So you're going to notice in the left hand side that you have the withdraw button. If you want to withdraw your money, just go over to the withdraw button. You also need to put your payment information by clicking on here in the here button, and then click on the withdraw. So you also have the referral section in order to get paid by promoting this platform, by getting new members over here. You can just get your affiliate, your referral link, and then you're going to share it with people that you think they are interested in using ShrinkMe.io to make money online, and they are going to make money, and also you're going to earn 20% of their earnings for life. So every time they make money, you're also going to earn 20%. So it is a nice way to make money in passive income, and it's another way to get paid with ShrinkMe.io, and I'm going to show you the first way to get paid with it. And what you need to do is to click on the new shorten link up here. And as you may have guessed, you need to shorten the link of that YouTube video that we opened at the beginning. So you can just go over to that YouTube video, click on the share button, then on the copy button in order to get that URL. And what you need to do next is to go on your dashboard, just paste your URL here and click on shorten. You're going to notice that they are going to give you immediately your ShrinkMe.io link. So it is shortened, and whenever people click on that link, they are going to be taking over to some ads. They can see some ads at first, and after that they're going to go over to the main link, which is that YouTube video. They can see, they can benefit from it, and you're going to also benefit because you can make money in passive income. And if you are wondering why this platform is paying you by just sharing these links, is because they are splitting the ad revenue with you, which is very nice. Actually, it is an easy way to earn some extra money online. So what you need to do is, of course, to drive traffic to this link, to find people that are willing to click on it. And what you need to do is to go over to Google, and you need to search for fitness forums in our case. But if you have gone for another niche, for example on the cooking niche, you're going to find cooking forums. And I highly recommend that you focus on the other niches as well. You can just do this as many times as you want to make the most money. That's why I said that it also depends on you and how much time and effort you want to put on this to get the desired results. So you're going to find here a lot of forums. You can open up a lot of them, just take part in discussions with people that want to see some fitness tips and so on. So you're going to help them, you're going to share that link, and they can go over to that YouTube video and they can click on it, and whenever they do so, you're going to make money. And what I highly recommend you do in order to maximize your results is to find some fitness forums in the countries that pay you the most. So we saw the payout rates before, so people from Greenland pay you the most, so just find some fitness forums in Greenland or in Ireland. So the first countries that pay you the most money per 1,000 views. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it, and if you did, you can support me by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.